I got 1000 subscribers really fast on this channel, and I've monetized many other channels really quickly. So let me show you how I did that, so you can just copy me and also get 1000 subscribers in less than 60 seconds. First, go to YouTube Shorts tab and do exactly what I'm about to show you, cause I've tried it many times and it works. So find a video that's in your niche with at least over 10 million views like this one I found. Then click this YouTube remix feature, then green screen, then extend the video, then click done. After that, it will display your face on top of the video, so adjust it to your preferred size and location. Then record your own video reacting to the original content, then input your title and upload. That's exactly how I got over 1000 subscribers and over 250,000 views from a single short video I didn't originally create myself. But after you get your first 1000 subscribers, you also need to get over 4000 watch hours in order to get monetized. And in this video, I will tell you a strategy that I use to get channels monetized quickly.